Hello guys, once again welcome to Clearlight Media, and in this session I'll be teaching you how to use ChatGPT. I know it's been trending over the past days. You've been hearing ChatGPT. So today I'll be showing you how you can actually use ChatGPT to generate code automatically. You don't have to struggle so much. You can actually tell this application to generate a certain code, and it generates for you. Why is it called chat? Because it has like a chat section here whereby you type your stuff, and then once you click enter, it will execute what you want. First of all, ChatGPT is an AI tool that was developed by OpenAI. You can go and read more about OpenAI, which is a company that deals with more of artificial intelligence. And now back to our main agenda. I'll be showing you how you can generate code easily using ChatGPT. So to get started, you come to this website. Actually, you'll create an account and then you log in, come to ChatGPT. Then let's say, for example, want to generate a code that will calculate the area of a circle. So you just do write Python code to calculate area of a circle. Enter. Ooh. Let's wait and see the magic. Calculate the area of a circle. There you go. There you go. There you go, guys. The magic AI. So it's giving us an explanation. Let's see the magic. Let's see. It's giving us the second option. It's giving us the first option over there, then it's giving us the second option, and when you run this code, it will actually run. I can see it's giving us a third option that you can use. So you can generate code in any language. It's not restricted to Python, remember? You can generate in any language. The power of artificial intelligence. That is where we're headed, guys. So you see, it has generated for us the code, different options that you can use maybe to calculate the area of a circle using Python, and you can take any of this code and go to your editor. So let me try and execute it on W3 Schools editor. I copy paste my code over there, then I run it. We see if it gives us the result. Yeah, you see, guys, it's given us the result for different radiuses. You can see we have the result. Let me write one more code. Write Python code to grade student mark. Let's see the magic. First of all, it gives you an explanation. Then it's giving us some good, maybe the layout and the parameters that will be used. So you see, it will define the function grade, which will accept a mark parameter. Then it will use the selection control structure, elif. Then we have the test cases over there. It's giving us the second option, which you can use by first of all creating a dictionary of grades. Then you use a for loop. It's giving us another the third option that you can use. Yeah, so you see it has generated a code whereby you can use a function, and then you can use a dictionary, and for loop function, and if you run this code it will run. So that's how you can use ChatGPT to generate code easily, and that's where we are headed, guys. You see the magic that artificial intelligence is able to do. This is just amazing, amazing, amazing. So you can do a test and see how it looks like to generate code using ChatGPT. Put your queries in the comment section. You can comment, and remember to subscribe, remember to like, and remember to share this amazing content. Let's grow together, and stay tuned for more content coming up. Thank you, guys.